Hey, you see from the title, you see from the you see from the title of the video. What's up? They came. They here. We ordered them. Told we ain't playing no games. We ain't playing no games. Matter of fact, I was watching the app and everything, and I said, let me pull the truck up so he can pull in, right here, just boom. So he picked them up, gave it to me. Man, they pretty light. I wasn't even struggling with them. I'm a big dude. I wasn't even struggling with them. They are lighter than what I expected. I haven't even opened them up yet. But as soon as I'm pulling the truck up, he pulling up like, oh, it's on. It's on. We got the, we, Hold on. Just let's see. Cause you think I'm playing. You see it? 22 by 9, 38 offset, 73.8 center bore. That's the bolt pattern. Come on now. Come on. You already know what we about to do. We about to let's go. Let's woo. Let's go. I'm gonna give y'all the breakdown and everything. I'm gonna do a separate video. Tell you how long it took and everything, but you already know. Y'all know what time it is. We got to get these things open. Let's go. All right, so let's see what we're working with. Okay. Got our packaging and stuff. Hopefully y'all can see this, man. Dang. Dang. Figure out how to get in here. So they got the foam they sprayed on here. This stuff stank. I gotta figure out how to get in the dang. Where the wheel at? Okay, let's see. Jesus. Is that the wheel? Oh, so the wheel is inside, like literally encasing this. So when I try to pull the whole thing out, let's see. It literally pulls the whole wheel out. So let's see if I can get. Yeah. Okay, there we go. They got these. Dang. Okay. Man, they seal these wheels up good. Like when I say good, good. All right. So this is that top piece that's on there. Like it's just foam, but it's sealed real good. All right. Then we got the plastic on the outside.
I don't chase, I don't beg, I don't fold, I don't fold. Watch me glide, watch me shine, watch me roll, watch me roll. I don't chase, I don't beg, I don't fold, I don't fold. Watch me glide, watch me shine, watch me roll, watch me roll. Chrome in the mirror, heat in the dash. Every little doubter, turning to ash.
And then we get to the wheels.
No copy,
jeez.
No borrow flame. When I move like I mean what I say. Whole world swing my way.
Ooh.
I don't chase, I don't beg.
Ooh, y'all.
Watch me glide, watch me shine, watch me roll, watch me roll. I don't chase, I don't beg.
Y'all already know what time it is. Let me go ahead and get this box down. Let y'all see what's going on. Because I'm trying to get these things mounted up today. There we go. There we go. That's where that center cap gonna go, of course. You see the brushed on there? Man, I want to get these mounted up today, but I might have to wait till Monday. Look at that. Look at that. Let's take this off. I might have to wait until Monday. And the reason why, because it's raining, as y'all see. And I want to put the wheel, it would make sense to put the wheel on the vehicle first to make sure that it fits, which it should, but it just makes sense to make sure that this will go on there before I go and get the tires mounted and everything, and then I got issues. Now I gotta get the tires taken back off, send the wheel. So we ain't gonna rush it. We're gonna do it the right way. As much as I want to go get these mounted up today, we're gonna do it the right way. So right there you see, let's see if I can zoom in. Okay, let me. It says some type of number at the top. 6061 T6 Forge, 22 by 9 gives the offset. 38 gives the lug pattern, the max load, and then showing the DOT, and then when they were made. Then we got the QC. So I'm gonna show y'all how light these are in comparison to other. Like I said, I'm pretty strong, but these aren't like super duper heavy. And even if they were, they would still not be as heavy as cast wheels because these are forged. But let me get the rest of the boxes open because we want to make sure all the wheels are good to go. And then I'm going to take these to my storage unit for the time being. And then that way I don't have them at the house and like that. And I don't feel like taking them to the back and putting them underneath the house. All right, so I got 3 of them opened. Check them all out. I slapped that center cap in there just so y'all can see. Matter of fact, let me get it the right way. Boom. Boom. I'm going to take this off so y'all can really see it. Yeah. 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 Supposed to level out, but it'll level out in the car. And just to show you how these caps go on here, they fit pretty good, so we know that they are machined right. Let's see, that's right there. So I'm gonna stick it like right there, and then I'm just gonna boom. So yeah, buddy.